We are Dos Amigos Team.
And my name is Alu.
And my name is Adri.
And my name is Rehan.
And this is the Mobilife
K07. And we are going to unbox it.
So now we are going to open it. It's like this. This is the selfie stick. It's in white color and you can see Mobilife is written here. And it comes with a large button cell and a technical support card. We will show you how it is equipped. Like this. And you can also use it like a tripod. I'll show you. And you can open this also. And it is a tripod. Extend also. Yes. And now it is a tripod. And if you are using a tripod, so you cannot do like this. So you will take the remote off. This is the Bluetooth wireless remote. And if you are taking a big picture of a group, so you will take the remote and just click. Now we are going to give you a real life example of how the photo clicks in this selfie stick and tripod. Well, I call it self-pod.
And I call it self stick.
Now this is the Note 9, Samsung Note 9, and now we are going to put it in the selfie. As you can see, the width of this phone is wide. So we will extend this and put the phone.
And keep aware of the emergency button.
Yes. This we can adjust it, and now I am going to switch on the selfie stick. Now we are going to open the phone and switch on Bluetooth. Now we are going to switch on Bluetooth in this phone. And now we are going to switch on Bluetooth like this. And the name of the selfie stick is Selfcom in Bluetooth. Now it is connected. Now we are going to click a selfie. Now we are going to give you a quick demo of the selfie stick. I am going to touch this button to click the selfie. And now we are going to use it as a tripod.
Like this, you can open it.
And I'm going to set the tripod here. And I'm going to remove the remote. And now we can click the photo by this remote, as you can see. Now I am going to click the photo from this remote. Now if somebody doesn't know that you are clicking a photo from this remote, so he will think that it is magic.